In this video, we can see the module called setting. So first thing was profile setting. So in the profile setting, first was profile. So in this profile, you just can able to view your business profile details, and the second term is called team. So in this team, you can able to create your team members. The details are their number, and you have to give their mail ID, then their phone number, and we have to give the password to the team members. So just save this. And next, there is an option to edit the team members details. So here I'm just adding the second team, like under name, so Praveen. The next term is called mail ID, so that I just assign the second team member's mail ID with the phone number. And there I just assign one password to the team. So I'm just save. So in this here I'm just added 2. So the next was billing. In this billing, you have first have the subscription billing, and second term is the wallet, and third term is the WhatsApp consumption log. So what are the campaigns you have run? So particularly on which category is based on, the amount will be deducted right here. The billing will be shown up here. So here is your pricing, like marketing for per message 90 paisa, and utility and authentication per message cost was 20 paisa. So this was the billing. And the second settings, which is called chat settings. In the chat settings, there is a await reply. So here there is a welcome message for the first query during our working hours. So we have to give our configure working hours right here. Within the working hours, the new user will message. The particular welcome message will be triggered. So we have to set up the current working hours. And if the people's message you after the working hours, the offers message will be automatically triggered for the new user. So I'm just giving the details and save it. So this is a step. And second thing was developer settings. So right here you have an app credential to develop your software with this API. So we have provide your app ID, API key, and document right here. You can go through the document right over here. So we have given a step-by-step process to what are the steps we have to do and codings, etc. So the next term is called contact subscription. So right here we have to give the keywords called start, subscribe, and add. And I'm just enable the subscription features, and I'm just want to subscribe the responses. This particular message will be when the people get subscribed to my API message. So the next term is called unsubscribe. So I'm just giving the same like opposite word for the subscription settings. So unsubscribe, stop, and remove. And I'm just added this enable option for the, and we have to, once the people unsubscribe our message, they receive the message. So I'm just excluded with their campaign contacts also. So everything is done. You have to click all settings. So the next term is called quick reply. So this is the predefined message for the frequent response. So I'm just giving a certain sentence for the quick reply. So this quick reply you will be used it on chat session. So I'm giving everything and save the session. And you can have a enable your voice call in the API. So you have to enable the voice call, and you have to click the enable call button also. and save changes. And the next, you have to manage your call hours. So you have to click and define your working hours. So then only the peoples will call you through the API. So you have to activate everything with the date and with the date, time, and so we have to change everyday timing. So once everything is done, we have to click save change settings, and we have to set up the call message to enable the call. So once the people will call you but you can't able to answer the people, means the unanswered message will be triggered. If the call completed, the thank you message also will be triggered, and you can able to also set up the hold music also right here. So once everything will be set up, you just click the save settings. So the next is integration. So integration, that is the Google Sheet integration. So we just provide you the steps to integrate a TryowBOT panel with the Google Sheet. So every steps will be given in a easy format. So you just go through it. And the next was Shopify. To integrate the panel with the Shopify, here is the whole step. So we just providing the setup process right here. And the next term is called apps in appointment. So we have to, so in this appointment, you have to enable the appointment. So enable the appointment. First, we have to configure the availability time. So we have to set up the available time slots. So you just make sure that your working hours. So in this below, so the next term was appointment duration. You have to fix each slot appointment duration. So here I'm just choosing 30 minutes, and they have a minutes or time to cancel or reschedule the meeting as 30 minutes. So I'm here fixing the 10 maximum booking per day. So advanced booking maximum 20 days. So I'm just enable this, and the reminder message will receive both customer and admin. I have to give a admin phone number right here. And we have to send the reminder message before the appointment. I'm just giving 1 hour, and here is a lot of options. So I'm just giving 1 hour before the appointment, 1 hour. I just want to send the reminder. So everything is done. I just click the save settings and give the OKs. The next was I have to give the trigger values. From base of this trigger value, that appointment slot will be triggered. So I'm just here giving as a trigger word as appointment. So here you can able to give a multiple trigger words. So the next trigger word was book appointment. Save change. So everything is done. Save settings. Just okay. Then there is a template which is received to the end users or the receivers. So you can able to edit. Where are the edit option that you can able to edit your template as your own. So once everything is done, there is a view appointment list. Once any appointment is booked, here you can able to see what are the appointment is booked right here, and you can able to also export the data. In that appointment setting, if you want to change anything or alternative, here is the options. So the next term is called AA agent. So this is the use case. It will be works like a AA assist. So right here you have to give the AA role, and agent availability, it's all the time or only after the business hours. So I'm just giving the agent name as Aranya, and I have to set up the behavior settings. So the tone will be in professional, and the response length should be in the short way, and AA mode should be on the human like. So I'm just giving our industry, and you have to give your own industry service, and I'm just giving our website. So these are the details I have filled to the agent. The next, it was the main objectives. So what are the role for the agent is, I'm just giving the notes. And here is the escalation WhatsApp number. If the agent is can't able to handle the query, it will pop up this escalation WhatsApp number. So the next, I just want to give the agent role. What should the agent want to do and not do? What are the strict guidelines I have to give on to them? So guidelines. And the next was customer instructions. So it should be in the friendly mode or whatever. And in the knowledge based question, I have to give the 5 set of questions with the informative answers. So this is the knowledge base. It will be gathered. So whenever the people ask question from this related question, it will be fetch this from the answer portion and send it to the end user as a reply. So more than you have to give a question with the answer in a very short, but the answer should be in the very informative way. That will be helpful to the agent to make a conversation with the. So like a way, I'm just set up other questions with the answers also. So to save this or add any other list means you have to give the next. So here we have to have a limitations called 1 to 5. So likewise, we have to add another questions. So from here we just give our informative. So if you want to edit this sessions, you have a edit session, and if you want to see this through here, right here, you have to click on the plus button. So you have to click the privacy policy and terms and conditions. Once everything is set up, you just save configure, and it will be generated in automatic way. So the next time whenever the users come and message to your API number, this AA agent will be get replied.